I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making cherry Coke fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery coterie, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Like I said, today I'm making cherry Coke fudge. As soon as I saw this on the Mom on Timeout website, I knew I had to make it. If there's something you'd like to see me make, please let me know in the comments section. I took it easy on you last week with the Kit Kats, but we're taking it all the way downtown this week, so roll up your sleeves and let's make this happen. First, what do you need to create this? Don't worry about writing it down. Everything you need is listed below. You can also find this information at randymakescandy.com. For the cherry fudge part, you'll need 284 grams of maraschino cherries, 2 tablespoons of cherry gelatin, 1 teaspoon of cherry or vanilla extract, 172 grams of butter, 340 grams of white baking chips, 660 grams of granulated sugar, 158 grams of heavy whipping cream, and 200 grams of marshmallow cream. For the Coca-Cola Frosting, you'll need 115 grams of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 18 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, 88 grams of Coca-Cola, and 454 grams of powdered sugar. Okay, let's make some fudge. Drain the cherries and cut them into quarters. Pat it with a paper towel until there isn't any more moisture. Set those aside. Line a 9x13 baking dish with parchment or nonstick foil and set that aside. Combine the butter, sugar, and heavy cream in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil over medium heat, stirring frequently. Once it's at a full boil, continue boiling for 3 minutes, stirring continuously. Add the cherry gelatin, serious cherry aroma here. Boil this, stirring continuously until the gelatin is completely dissolved. This should only take a few minutes. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in the white chocolate. Then stir in the marshmallow cream and cherry or vanilla extract. And the cherry smell goes to 11. Fold in the maraschino cherries and pour the mixture into the 9x13 pan. Let it cool to room temperature and then refrigerate it. Wait until the fudge is chilled before you start making the frosting. When you're ready to make the frosting, place the powdered sugar in a heat-proof bowl and set that aside. Combine the butter, cocoa powder, and Coca-Cola over medium heat. Bring it just to a boil, then pour it over the powdered sugar. Whisk until it's combined and smooth. You could probably use a mixer here, unless you want a serious arm workout. Add the vanilla extract and continue whisking to combine. Immediately pour the frosting over the chilled fudge. Use an offset spatula or a spoon to gently spread the frosting over the top of the fudge. Chill for 20 minutes or until the frosting is set. I left it in the fridge overnight just to make sure it was firm enough to cut. When it's ready, cut into whatever size and shape pieces you'd like, and that's it. Okay, these are ready. Let's try one. Sláinte vá. It actually tastes more like a chocolate-covered cherry than a cherry Coke, if I'm honest, but the Coke is definitely there. As far as I'm concerned, it's way better than a cherry Coke. Holy moly, that's good. If you enjoyed our time together, please like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell if you want to be notified when new videos come out. I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own cherry Coke fudge, as well as suggestions for what you'd like to see in future videos. It's funny that we use taste to describe our emotions. We can be sour, we can be bitter. I try to be sweet, but my last few months at work, they told me I was getting pretty salty. I hope you'll join me next time. Today, I'm making cherry Coke fudge. Or am I? I don't know. Or 10 ounces of maraschino cherries. And 454 grams of powdered sugar. Dang it.